billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My dear sisters, today our lesson is Makhrij of Sa. Today we read the Makhrij of Sa. How do you say? Touch the tip of the tongue to the edge of the upper teeth and blow with a light sound, like Sa, Sa. If you want to make sure that you bring only the tip out, you can cut the tip lightly and touch the hurting tip to the upper teeth, like Sa. That you will have controlling you, not bring too much of your tongue out. Sa or As. My dear sisters, it's common mistake. Don't say it as a Sa with Sin. It is not Sa. It is Sa. Don't take out more than the tip out of your mouth. Alright. Repeat after me 3 times. As, as, as. Sa, se, so. Sa, se, so. And then we have Sun, Sin, Sun, Sun, Sin, Sun, Sun, Sin, Sun. Let us take a more and practice them. At, Aksara, Aksara, Aksara. Sa, Masala, Masala, Masala. Si, Asimun, Asimun, Asimun. So, Somma, Somma, Somma.